Welcome to our Chinese vocabulary learning session, based on Mandarin and HSK levels. Introduction to HSK. HSK, the Hanyu Shuiping Kaoshi, is a standardized test for Mandarin Chinese proficiency, ranging from beginner to advanced. Today, we'll cover common words from beginner and intermediate levels. HSK 1 vocabulary. Starting with HSK 1, here are some basic words. Ni hao, hello. Xie xie, thank you. Zaijian, goodbye. Sure, to be. Boo, not/no. Use these in your daily conversations as you begin your Mandarin journey. HSK 3 vocabulary. Now let's move to HSK 3 vocabulary. Xi huan, like. Shiweshi, study. Gongzhuo, work. Pengyo, friend. Shujian, time. These words are perfect for describing your daily activities and making new friends. Usage examples. Let's see these words in action. 我喜欢学习中文. 我喜欢学习中文. I like studying Chinese. 你有时间吗? 你有时间吗? Do you have time? Practice these sentences to get more comfortable with Mandarin. Recap and practice. Time for a quick recap. Remember, ni hao, hello. Keep practicing these words to boost your Chinese language skills. Closing. Thanks for learning with us today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Chinese lessons. See you next time. Zaijian.